I have a baby cow. But it's not a baby cow. Así no se les llama, aunque sí son baby cows. They are cows. Repeat after me. Cows. 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 Very good. So we have in here a cow and its calf. Very good. Cow and cow. Este es un becerrito. A cow. I'm going to put them right in here. Cow, cow. Next, we have the little hen. The hen has babies too. And here we have a baby. This is a chick. It's not a chicken, because chickens es el pollo que nos comemos. No, this is a chick. Repeat, chick. 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 Excellent. So we have the hen and its chick. Very good. I'm going to put them right in here. So we have cow, cow, hen, chick. Next, I have in here a duck. And in here I have its baby. Look! It's a baby duck. His name is Duckling. Can you repeat? Duckling. 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 Very good. So again, duck, duckling, duck, duckling. Repeat, duck, duckling. Very good. So I'm going to put them right in here. The duck and its duckling. Next, I have in here the horse. And in here I have the baby horse. But it's not a baby horse, it's a foal. Can you repeat? Foal. 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 Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Very good. Here. Horse and foal. Very good. Finally, I have in here the sheep. And in here I have the baby sheep. This is called a lamb. Can you repeat? Lamb. It's not lamp with P, because it's una lámpara. This is lamb. Lamb. Okay, repeat. Sheep. Lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Very good. So let's repeat them together. Okay, okay? Cow. Cow. Hen. Chick. Duck. Duckling. Horse. Foal. Sheep.